So for those of you who missed trading room events, let me remind you the power of Alpha Fibonacci software and what played out in the trading room and with software in the last few days. Number of our students trading European session and Asian markets. Number of our students in Europe, in Australia, in Middle East. Viewing videos, viewing library 24/7. This is a software, precise entry, precise stop, precise target, European open. Intelligent trader looking to short the historical high. Intelligent trader never ever ever buying near. This is Alpha Fibonacci software. This is a power. This is precision. The trades are not on 5-minute chart, but I convert the trade to any chart you choose to trade. During those market conditions, you have ultimate options and trades to choose from. Market open on Monday, very volatile, very powerful. Historical high, not the place to buy. Look at the ultimate precision, and it's on the chart of your choice. You choose the chart. You choose the trade you want to take. Another short, very, very late. Price reaches reversal zone, because that's what target RZ means. And bullish rally skyrockets from. This is a dream day trading entry point. This was a long point of entry yesterday morning, right at the market open. Point of entry in the European session, even better. So this is the market this morning in case you missed the events in the trading room. Here's a recap. Bearish pullback and a play during the market open. We discussed with students how weak this support is. We discussed with students how essential and crucial it is to monitor this pullback. This pullback plays out, reaches critical targets, bullish rally skyrockets from. Right now there is nothing, price is stuck, we're in the middle. This is a massive junk that can last the rest of the day. Intelligent trader knows and understands that there is a very different market here than here. When I work with hedge funds and institutions, this is the chart they trade. But if you're trading your little day trading account with them, if you're obeying the rules of the system, if you're in front of the screen at key entry points, the sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade. But March 25th, March 26th, March 28th, Asian session open on Sunday, stunning. Monday morning, intense, powerful. Tuesday, it's a very different market. But again, we identified reversal zone and key support hours and days in advance. There is no speculation here. No one is chasing the market. No one. If you trade with Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. Even 1 o'clock in the morning. Theo is my hero. Stunning work. And that's brilliant, phenomenal effort from trader who is using awesome scanner to filter setups and mind to decide whether or not from key levels with space, excellent system with objective roadmap. In the middle of the night, 1 o'clock in the morning, Theo is my hero. What an amazing life. I don't need to get up early anyways, except hit the gym. No life better than that. Make some good trades, then work out. Simply obey the rules and be in front of the screen with Alpha Fibonacci System only at key levels. Zero reason to babysit. Zero reason to stare at the screen. Zero reason to speculate. This is community of our incredible traders. It is only 1 hour with Alpha Fibonacci traders this morning. If Theo can do this, so can you. The skies are the limit. Phenomenal. Any other questions for me? Please do ask. I love Jordan's email. Thank you, Jordan, for your beautiful email. Of the importance of the rules, time and time again. Let me share the email Jordan just sent me. This reminds you the importance of the rules. Yes. So here's a stunning effort from Jordan traders. As yesterday we discussed in private mentoring session, the importance of staying with the rules, the importance of not getting in and getting out of the trade. Jordan listened, this time stayed through the pullbacks during the trade and got out in profit. And as Jordan shares, pays off going back and listening to your instructions. I just need a nudge sometimes. Do not overcomplicate trading. It is only 1 hour in the trading room this morning. So please do arrive on time as you're witnessing Alpha Fibonacci software in the live markets. You decide what you want to trade. And remember, this is rule-based system traded globally on all instruments. All classes are live trading room video library modules included. Our students from Florida, New York to London to Dubai to Saudi Arabia to Monte Carlo to anywhere in the world, from $500 account to multi-million, multi-billion dollar account, trading the system. The most important part is this. Think and trade as Goldman, Morgan Stanley, PIMCO, JP Morgan Trader does. I know I mentor them for the last 10 years. I teach you exact same rules. Obey what they do and write institutional power with them. Never, ever, ever trade against them.
Out at me is possibly why.
So if you're ready to trade as a pro in all market conditions, I look forward to working with you. Join community of Alpha Fibonacci traders in US and globally who are trading on all instruments and all platforms, Alpha Fibonacci lifetime system and software. Listen to traders' podcasts, view their journeys on our podcast channel, view students' performance, read students' reviews, and choose from option appropriate for you. Lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8 come with group course video library modules that you can enjoy 24/7 or choose daily live online classes Monday through Thursday. Private mentoring package where we meet one-on-one also includes all group classes, video library and modules. If you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. I look forward being your mentor and guiding you to success.